Well, good afternoon. This is now Ikras from 10 Nigerians at the broadcast from Bern, Switzerland. At the team, we say one guy where they call Bolade Ibokun Ejimai, now Nigerian guy, now medical doctor for Ukraine. News on reach our and say one woman where they call Victoria Popravko don't stab the guy die. And according to the news, they say this guy and this girl that they play around, maybe boyfriend and girlfriend, something like that. And according to the news also, this girl already get 2 children somehow. So as he be, I'm not feel confirm whether not this guy and get those 2 children, or whether the guy and the girl they be boyfriend and girlfriend, or they be husband and wife. But according to the news, when the people there they talk, say the guy don't visit the girl before several times. So be like say the girl can't invite the guy come in creep. So as the guy dey for the girl place now, be like says one thing, let another thing happen. The girl can't stab the guy 2 times. Stab the guy with knife 2 times. Now the guy fall unconscious. So as the guy dey unconscious like this, but he never really die like that. And they see. Now they come rush the guy go hospital, carry out the first operation. So the guy come dey a little bit conscious after some time. After he come dey conscious finish, he come dey tell the people around there wetin happen. So he come let them know say the girl stab am 2 times. That girl, so that Victoria Popravko, don stab am 2 times. Then that time when be saying about when the papa come see say he never die well, now the girl papa come use something knock the guy for head before they come finally carry the guy go hospital everything. So the story be say, as e be, the girl stab the guy, but the guy no die sharp. Now the papa won't assist the killing according to the source when they talk. So we go confirm the whole story. But before then, this kind of thing they happen to a lot of Africans or Europe and many places, and we not they really they do something. We not they come up with a detailed investigation and a detailed publication of the investigation. So it can't be like say we not get power to even fight for our people because our government not they support us like that. So this kind of thing now, the Nigerian embassy for Ukraine, I go put their number for line. Make anybody when get telephone number, make him may get telephone, may they call them, they worry them about this guy where he die now. I don't know the guy, you know understand. But waiting they be say this is a Nigerian guy in the diaspora, a medical doctor, when supposed to be resourceful to us. So enough if you just die like that, nothing gonna happen. Because if you not do anything, now one by one, Bob Marley say now one cocoa to the full basket. So make we not they do like that, say something like this happen, all man will just they walk, say that they build us for Africa, or they do one thing, that they build a hotel for Africa where they not they stay. I beg, make we try join hands. All those guys went there for Ukraine. This party, this guy so a friend, an enemy. Make una join hand. Make sure say they get justice and know what happen. Otherwise, for that the same Ukraine, another guy go carry knife, stab somebody. Nothing go happen. So as it happens, so make we take am serious. This matter they happen for Ukraine. I they provide una the Nigerian embassy telephone number, website. Make una they call all Nigerians all over the world. Make una they call them to ask them what happen. I go provide the link also. And those people for Ukraine, if una they see this video, make una they share am to all our people. Make all man wake up, say this kind of thing not go fit happen, and make the Nigerian embassy act. And number 2, it be like say, I go confirm that one. The Nigerians in the diaspora organization, they get Ukraine chapter. You get? They get Ukraine chapter. But once you when we say still they go they tell you say you not be member of the organization and all these things. But if you can't look the organizational structure, we not provide any avenue for Nigerian students when they come Europe, also in Switzerland. Now, some time ago, we tried to create a platform for the students and also made the students then they cooperate. You understand? I'm not saying most of the boys of the male students, Nigerian students, they cooperate, but the girls they like to cooperate. If you have their name, they can't do until they know you say you don't stay a long time before they can't respect you. They know they respect person at the first sight. But that one on the side. So that one be say the Nigerians in the diaspora organization in Europe or whatever in the diaspora, they should be able to create an avenue for Nigerian students that are coming to study in Europe. Because they don't have any platform. They should be try to include them, even give them position, PRO and all those things. They are clever people, they know computer, all those things. So they're going to help us, they work. That person now just they colonize the whole thing like that. So that now on the side. This matter why they talk now, I back a brother, whether they call Bolade Ibokun Ejima when he died, when the medical doctor, when he died for Ukraine. Make all man join and to make sure say we fit get justice for this guy, and also not only that, to also see how we fit support the guy now as he don't die, the family and everything, friends, may they try join arm. So as it be my number there online, my name like Cross. Call me anytime. Make we see how we take connect people to people. Make we see how we take make things move. So this na 10 Nigerians. I want to thank everybody when they follow my page, when they follow this page. Una go see money pick.